Have fun.
Hello, I am Pial Loren Castillo, and today, before I start, I have a questions for you. Is there anyone here have a pair of leather shoes or boots? Please raise your hand. What kind of leather shoes or boots do you have? Is it a boat shoes, loafers, or boots?
Yeah.
Um, how do you keep your leather boots in good condition?
I try my best to clean them and wipe it.
Thank you. And today, I will show you how to polish your boots or shoes at home. Okay. First, prepare your workplace. Get the shoes and be sure that your cleaning materials are complete. So, first, lay out a towel or newspaper down to your workplace. It is only optional if you don't want your place to get dirty. Then, remove the laces before you start so it doesn't get stained. So, I already removed the other one just to save time. Okay. And then next, insert a shoe tray or stuck it with the paper so it doesn't deform while you're polishing. So, first, after you put a paper, clarification, what is the first thing you should do before you start polishing your shoes?
You put a paper, you take out the laces,
Yeah.
and also you put the paper on.
Thank you. And let's move on to the second step. Next, clean the shoes all the way to remove any dirt or dust. Using a brush, remove all the remaining dust or just to make it clean. And then, clarification. What step comes after you brushing off the dirt and dust from the shoes? Okay. Use a slightly damp cloth water. Use a slightly damp cloth to gently wipe the excess dirt like this. And then let it air dry for about 1 to 2 minutes. In the third step, apply the leather conditioner. This is only optional if you want. So spray it evenly all the way to the surface of the shoes. And then wipe it with a clean cloth. And then after that, check if there's any excess liquid, then wipe it off with a clean cloth. So, clarification, after you apply conditioner into the leather, what you should do next?
You make sure there isn't any left wet laces.
Yeah, thank you. Then, let's move on into the fourth step, which is apply the wax or cream to the leather. Use a clean cloth to spread a small amount of wax evenly over the leather. So dump your cloth into the wax. Then gently wipe the wax into the shoes evenly, and then after that, wipe it off. For tight areas like seams or around the edges, use a toothbrush so you can reach it.
Peel, how often do you shine your shoes? How often?
In a while,
Like,
like one times in 3 months. I haven't wear these shoes in a while, that's why it's clean.
Oh, okay.
So, There you go. And then, vocabulary. Who can tell me what circular motion means? Any definition?
Again.
Yeah.
On the
Circle.
Thank you. Circular motion means the movement of an object along the circumference of a circular or circular path. So, let's move on into the fifth step. Then bop the shoes to bring out a smooth and shiny finish. Brush the shoes quickly and firmly with clean polishing brush to bring out a bright, even shine across the leather. So, bop it very quickly.
So what does buff mean?
Bop means like bop the shoes like this, back and forth. Then, vocabulary. Who can tell me what firmly means? Any definition from your own understanding? Firmly. Firmly. Firmly means in a way that uses a steady power or strength. Now, let's move on to the final step, which is add the finishing touch to complete the task. Gently wipe any remaining excess polishing using a cloth, making sure the surface of the shoes is smooth and shiny. Then relace your shoes to complete the polishing process. So just imagine I relace the shoes, and then clarification, what you should do first before you relace your shoes. Gently wipe away any remaining excess polishing using a clean cloth. Then you can relace your shoes. Now, to conclude, if you have never polished your shoes, remember to choose a wax or cream polisher that matches the color of your shoes. Also, consider using a waterproofing spray or wax to protect the leather from moisture. Then lastly, by following these steps, the next time your leather shoes get dirty, you already know how to clean it. Thank you everyone.